परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। शिरडी साई वर्ति साई दिव्य कथा शिवुडे सद्गुरुवै शिरडीलोन उन्न कथा भवुडे बांधवुडै भक्तुल ब्रोचिन सत्य कथा आ गुरुवे पुट्टपर्तिलो ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై ఆ గురువే పుట్టపర్తిలో ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి दिव्य कथा। ओके सूर्युडु ओके चंद्रुडु ओके गुरुवु ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన ఒకే సూర్యుడు ఒకే చంద్రుడు ఒకే గురువు ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే దేశ విదేశమునేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే దేశ విదేశమునేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే ఏ భగవానుని పదములు సోకి భువనమి తరించుచున్నదో ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి దివ్య కథా।
There will be no scarcity of anything for my devotees. You should not worry.
Baba, you are God to us. Please bless us.
Please sanctify our lives, Baba.
Acquire self-realization. See God within yourself. Thus, your life will be fulfilled. Body is the temple of God. Pure mind is the sanctum sanctorum. The living entity is God. As is the mind, so is the destiny, yes. Therefore, always chant the name of God. Your life will be fulfilled. Your birth will be blessed. One should sing the glory of God with love and understanding. Devotion and worship definitely bestow God's grace on us. Knowledge without experience is absolutely of no use. It is a total waste. I prefer your love to your devotion. Do you know why? Because love is devotion. The same love is eternal. Devotion with compassion leads man to the abode of God.
ॐ भजो साई नारायणा
ॐ भजो साई नारायणा
ॐ भजो साई ब्रह्म स्वरूपम्
ॐ भजो साई ब्रह्मस्वरूपम्
ॐ भजो साई शिव स्वरूपम्
ॐ भजो साई शिवस्वरूपम्
ॐ भजो श्री साई गणेशम्
ॐ भजो श्री साई गणेशम्
महासंत श्री साई नारायण
महासंत श्री साई नारायण
साई नाम ही उच्चारो
साई नाम ही उच्चारो
साई गुरु साई जगत गुरु
साई गुरु साई जगत गुरु
गुरु नानक साई दत्त गुरु
गुरु नानक साई दत्त गुरु
सर्वं स्वरूपं साई प्रभु
सर्वं स्वरूपं साई प्रभु
ॐ भजो साई
Baba, 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 Baba.
Shama, Mehelsa, you all are still here? We are all right here, Baba. All are here. Ramachandra Patil, Bala Shinde, Lakshmi Bai, Bhagoji, Nimonkar, Appakote Patil. Everyone is here, Baba. So you all are here only. Only 4 days left for the festival of Vijayadashami. You have not gone to collect donations and seek alms. I prefer to stay at Botiwar than at this place. I will go there. Mahalsa,
Baba,
will you take me to the Krishna temple? Take me to the Krishna temple, Mahalsa.
Baba, your health has become very poor, Baba. And you have become quite weak too. Please take rest here only, Baba. This is my humble request to you.
As soon as you recover, we will take you there, Baba.
I am longing to go there. I have got to go there.
We just can't say no to you, Baba. You have not yet recovered properly. Please take rest for a few days. Then if you go there, it will be all right, Baba.
Does that mean all of you will not come with me?
What are you saying, Baba? We cannot live without you for even a second. We will certainly go with you wherever you go, Baba.
We all are worried about your health, Baba.
Shama, Appa Kote Patil, Mahalsa, Ramchandra Patil. Why are you so anxious? What has to happen will certainly happen. You should not worry. No need to worry unnecessarily,
Why do you talk like this? It frightens us, Baba.
What is frightening you, Lakshmi? Our birth on this earth is an illusion. That we are alive is a bigger illusion still. And one day death will come. This is the biggest illusion. The cycle of birth and death is a part of God's game. The secret of creation. When we came into this world, were we afraid? In the same way, why should we be afraid to leave it? We should not be afraid because it is all a part of the secret of creation. It is getting late for the bhajan. All of you, go without any worry. Go. You should all leave. Go without any kind of worry. Why aren't you leaving? Leaving you alone in such a state, how can we go without you, Baba? Mahalsa, you can't understand my situation. But I understand yours. In this creation, there is nothing which is constant. Do you know why? Impermanence is the very characteristic of creation. But who exists permanently? Me. Anyway, you would not understand. Go. You all, don't worry about me. I am absolutely fine. Go. Trust me. I am perfectly all right. Just look. Just look. Look. Can you see? Can you see? I am perfectly all right. Look at me. Am I not all right? Please go. how innocent these people are, how much they love me. That's why I always keep thinking about them. I am always concerned about them. They are not aware of this, not aware.
Sai Shri Sai Jaya Jaya Sai. Om 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 Sai Shri
So you are offering Aarti? All right.
Shri Sai Jaya Jaya Sai. Om Sai 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 Shri Sai Jaya Jaya Sai.
Is not the Aarti over? All of you go now and have your meal. Melsa,
Baba.
Shama,
Baba.
aren't you all going to listen to me? Are you going to starve this Baba? If you all don't eat, how will my hunger be appeased? That's why I am asking all of you to go and eat. Go. You all obey me, don't you? Please go. Go and have your meal. Go. Please go. Go and have your meals. Please. Shama,
Baba.
there at Bootiwad is the construction and other work at the Krishna temple not yet complete?
Everything is completed, Baba. We just have to take you there, Baba.
Will you take me there?
Yes, we all have decided. Will you come with us?
Shama, I will, but not now. When the right time comes, we all will go together.
Once you recover, all of us will go, Baba.
So, Abba Kote Patil, have you decided that I won't get better?
Please don't say so, Baba.
Shama, I keep wandering here and there. This is possible as long as I'm with you. If I get static, that will be samadhi. You will not understand all this. When the right time comes, you will get to know everything.
Baba, we are scared to think.
Do you think something is going to happen to me? Listen, Lakshmi Bai. Don't forget. What has to happen to one will certainly happen anytime, anywhere.
Don't say that, Baba. You must always be with us. Without your grace, we can't survive even for a minute.
My grace is always with you. That's why you are constantly with me. All right. I am going to ask you a simple question. Will you answer? For so long, you have been seeing my physical form. But has anyone ever tried to see the glory of my soul?
No, Baba. We tend to forget everything when we see you, Baba.
How can we see when you're always before us? The compassion in your eyes is the basis of our lives. Mehelsa, if you could see only my physical form, it is your mistake. The glory of soul cannot be seen. By understanding, by experiencing. You have to know it. Then, whether the eyes are open or closed, that glory will not vanish. The soul is eternal. It is something beyond life and death.
Baba, please don't strain yourself, Baba.
Madhav,
Baba.
give me a betel leaf.
Sure, Baba. Baba, your health is not good. Please take rest. You have become quite weak. Baba, please listen to our request. If anything happens to you, how will we live?
Shama, life and death are not in our hands. As the mission of our lives gets over, we have got to go back. The air which we inhale, does that stay inside? No, it gets exhaled. In the same way, when we eat food, does the food remain inside? No. This whole creation is just a breath. Got it? Its inhalation and exhalation is nothing. It is just life and death. This death is only for the body, which you can see, not for the soul. The body which you see, even if it disappears, the soul remains. Likewise, my soul will always be amidst you. I will be with you forever like a shadow, like a guide to all of you. It means I am in you, always with you and around you. My daughter Lakshmi Bai,
Baba.
come on, show me your hands. These are 9 coins. Do you know why I am giving these to you?
No.
These 9 coins signify 9 paths of devotion, service, bhajans, spiritual chanting, service at the lotus feet, rituals, offerings, servitude, friendship, and submission. My dear, these are the 9 paths of devotion. My child, Lakshmi Bai, during my stay at Shirdi, you have served with all these 9 paths, with great love as a devotee. That's why I have given you these 9 coins. Keep them very carefully. Baba, the cough is troubling. Please don't speak. Baba, please.
Please take rest, Baba. We are really worried about you.
Please take rest, Baba.
We are all scared, Baba.
You need to rest, Baba.
Please don't exert yourself.
Rest. I shall rest. I have got to rest now. So long, all of you have seen only my external form, but hereafter I will appear whenever you meditate on me. I'll be in front of you, and I will dwell in your hearts forever.
Please take rest, Baba.
You must rest, Baba.
Please listen to our request, Baba.
We are all getting worried, Baba.
Please take rest.
Elsa, I must take rest now. Baba, do you remember, Mahelsa, the first time I stepped into Shirdi village? Can you recollect how you had addressed me? I do remember. I am the privileged one who called you Sai. But how did Sai become your Baba? The way God lives in the temple, you live in our hearts, which made you Sai Baba from Sai. That's it, Baba. All right. For so many years, you have been listening to Sai. Nana Chandorkar, Shyama, Madhav Asle, Bala Shinde, Bhaguji, Mahelsa, Appa Kote Patil, Ramchandra Patil, Nemonkar, Lakshmi Bai. What I am going to say now, it's not an order. I am not preaching either. It's my prophecy. This Baba's prophecy. By listening to my prophecy, you should not get agitated. My departure is quite near now. Exactly 8 years after I attained Samadhi, my soul will acquire a new body to show the right path to humanity. I'll reincarnate in Madras Presidency, Rayalaseema region, in Anantapur district, In Puttaparthi village, I will reincarnate. My reincarnation is definite. It's definite. It's a truth. The ultimate truth. You all need not worry about me. In this birth, my birthplace was Patri. When I reincarnate, my birthplace will be Parthi, Puttaparthi.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमया ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः